Hi everyone, I'm Kentled Cuyos and I'm 19 years old. I was born on December 19, 2005 and I live in Nilaya, Kotkot, Liloan, Cebu. I love playing basketball. I remember when I was about 6 years old, I spent an entire afternoon to play my favorite sport. Someday, I will become a professional basketball player like Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan. Myself encouraged because on their highlights and that's why looking forward to get my dream. I always jogging every day and work all night and work my jump shot and dribbling skills. My kuya told me that if no sacrifice and you're not working your skill, you cannot get your dream to go NBA. Bye guys. Comment lang sa comment section.